So you just created your brand new website. You're ready to take on the market, but once you start doing keyword research, you realize that the competition is actually wild. So how can you find the best keywords for you that are also the ones with the lowest competition? That's what we'll find out in this video. Hey everyone, I'm Chiara from Semrush, and in this video I'll show you 4 steps that will help you find the best keywords that also have the lowest competition. Of course, we all know that doing keyword research is essential for a business, but you really need to be smart about the keywords you choose, because choosing enough low competition keywords will really help you boost your website's rank. So let's start with the first step, which is building your initial keyword list. So to do this, go to Organic Research, enter a competitor's domain name in the search bar and click Search. What you will get as a result is a list of keywords that your competitor's website is currently ranking for in Google's top 100 organic search results. Keep in mind that you can also use filters to find keywords that are most relevant to your website. You can see here an example I made with the word vegan. Of course, if you repeat this process with a long list of competitors' domains, you will get a very big keyword list. And you can export all these results in XLS files so that you can keep all the results together. In case this was not enough, I'm going to show you an alternative with the Keyword Gap tool. Using the Keyword Gap tool, in fact, you can view unique keywords per domain and export your results just as you did for the Organic Research report. All you have to do is enter your website and 4 of your competitors. Then in the Filters tab, you set the filters from Share to All Keywords. Exporting also these results will give you a very good bird's-eye view of what's the situation in your market right now. Let's move on with the second step, which is expanding your keyword list. Now, I know what you must be thinking. Why in the world am I expanding this list, which is already huge? Well, the answer is really simple. It will make it easier later, when we'll get back to it, to filter it down to find the most accessible keywords for you. So just trust me. So in order to do this, you can go to the Keyword Magic tool, when you can find and create the best long-tail keywords for your project. You'll be able to find phrase match keywords, which is a list of expanded keywords phrases that include your query term. But also, you can find related keywords, which are phrases that are semantically related to your query term and may not share the same phrasing, but still give you back similar results. And to top all of that, you'll be able to check also the section Questions, where we'll show you only keyword phrases that include keyword questions like who, what, where, when, why, or how. Just let me expand a little bit on this. To be able to find exactly what are the customer's pain and finding the questions that are related to your query term will make it so much easier to make great content that you will know already answers to a search intent. Okay, we're done with expanding and lists now. We can move on to step 3, which is discover high volume keywords with less competition. So if you're watching this video, you probably know that the average monthly search volume for a keyword shows you how much potential traffic you can get to your website. Of course, though, we all know that the keywords with the highest volume are also the most difficult ones to rank for because of the high competition. So the solution to this pickle is to try and find a balance between a keyword search volume and its competition level. So to help you doing that, Semrush can come in handy with 2 main ways of filtering keywords: keyword difficulty and competition level. So what are keyword difficulty and competition level? Keyword difficulty is an estimation of how hard it would be to outrank the current website that are ranked for a particular keyword in Google's top spots. While competition level is the density of advertisers that are using a particular keyword for their ads. Now, I understand that this metric is usually referred to competition in paid search, but I still think it can be somewhat representative of what is happening also in the organic search. So when you make your reports, always make sure that in your files you have 2 columns for these specific metrics. And now that I've explained to you what they are, you'll probably be asking yourself, but how do I understand which are the best ones? Well, I'll give you a couple numbers that I hope will help you sort out that question. So about keyword difficulty, as a general rule, I would suggest you that a keyword difficulty which is above 80% is probably the most difficult to target for, and I wouldn't suggest pursuing that. Keywords from 60 to 80% are average, which means that it won't be impossible to rank for them, but it also won't be exactly a piece of cake. Keywords below 60% are the easiest ones to rank for, but also the hardest to find. Same goes for the competition level. If a keyword has a competition level of above 0.80, it means that probably a lot of advertisers are already using it or trying to rank for this keyword. which probably means that the user has a transaction intent when looking for the specific keyword. The keywords from 0.6 to 0.8 are average, which means that there is an average density of advertisers trying to rank for these ones, and the ones below 0.6 are the ones with the least competition. This could mean two things. Either they are just not profitable, or a lot of advertisers in your niche haven't exactly understood the full potential of this keyword. So, might be a gold mine, might be not. So now we're ready for the fourth step in our list, which is filtering your master keyword list and finding low competition keywords. So start with a filter for keyword difficulty to only look at keywords with a KD score which is less than 75, just as I'm showing in the screenshot. This will allow you to find some very high volume target keywords that won't be impossible or extremely difficult to rank for. A quick way to estimate what are the best keywords after you have filtered what we have left, just as I have shown you, is to put them inside of the Keyword Manager. In the Keyword Manager, you can enter up to 1,000 keywords at a time, and you can create multiple lists. You'll be able to refresh the data on all your selected keywords in a simple click, so that you will always have the freshest results to create your best strategy. And also, you can look through advanced filters. This will help you understand specific metrics about your keywords, and you'll be able to see if they trigger a feature snippet. Feature snippets are huge for SEO. So you should always take note if one of your keywords, or a lot of your keywords hopefully, can trigger one of these. Because if you write your content in the right way, you just might be able to take over the feature snippet with your link. So as we've seen, keyword research is essential for a business to thrive in the market. But you really need to be smart and choose carefully the keywords that you want to target. So always remember to, first of all, believe in your SEO, and second, follow these steps. Check your competition and build your initial keyword list. Once you've done that, enrich this list with related keywords, phrase match keywords, and question. Then check your competition and the keyword difficulty of your competitors. After you've implemented, don't forget to keep doing the research of low competition keywords regularly, and of course, track your rankings to see if they're growing. Have you ever done anything similar? What's your process for low competition keywords research? Let me know.